How to allow direct messages on TikTok. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our TikTok application here in our mobile device. Once done, go to the lower right hand corner and click on the profile icon. Once you've clicked on the profile icon, you will be routed to your profile page here at TikTok. Now, click on the hamburger button on the upper right hand corner of your TikTok app and select Settings and Privacy, after which. Now, under Settings and Privacy, go to Account. Under Account, you will see Privacy. Click on it and simply go to Interaction section and you will see there Direct Messages. Now, once you have clicked on Direct Messages, click on Direct Messages once more. And here we have three options in how to send direct messages, or enable direct messages rather. So first is everyone, next is to your suggested friends, and the last one is followers you follow back and people you sent messages to. For the last option, which is no one, we won't want to enable that one, since of course we want to enable or allow direct messages on our TikTok app. So that's about it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed and thank you so much for watching.